16, Parshva and Anari are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. Balance sheet of the firm as on 31/3/16 was as under. On 1/4/16, they admitted Hensi as a new partner on the following conditions, and new profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:4:2. So here first of all we have to find a sacrificing ratio. Old ratio is 2:1 and new ratio is 3:4:2. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. So sacrifice of Parshvi, your old share is 2/3, new share is 3/9. By taking LCM we can make denominator equal. 3 2 just 6 minus 3/9. It will be 3/9. Afterwards, sacrifice of Aneri is 1/3 minus 4/9. By taking LCM, 3 minus 4/9. Here answer is minus 1/9. Whenever we are finding sacrificing ratio and our answer is in minus, at that time it is a gain. At that time it is a gain. Afterwards, Hensi brings 40,000 as capital. So here in partners capital account, by cash account, in Hensi's column 40,000, and in cash account to Hensi's capital 40,000. Afterwards, interest on bank loan is outstanding for 1 year. Now here 10% loan from bank that is given in the balance sheet. So in revaluation account, for outstanding we have to write on revaluation account debit side to interest on loan account amount is 3,500. 10% of 35,000 is 3,500. Second entry will come on balance sheet liability side. Outstanding interest on loan amount is 3,500 and 10% loan from bank which is given in balance sheet. Amount is 35,000. Afterwards, personal expense of Parshvi paid by firm is debited to profit and loss account is rupees 5,600. So revaluation account debit side by Parshvi's capital account amount is 5,600. Its second entry will come in balance sheet debit side to Parshvi's capital account 5,000, revaluation account we have to write here, by revaluation account amount is 5,600. 5,600. Reconstruction expense is paid by Aneri rupees 8,400. Revaluation account debit side to Aneri's capital account amount is 8,400. This we have to write on partners capital account debit side by revaluation account amount is 8,400. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 90,000. So here we have to find the new goodwill. So goodwill of the firm is rupees 90,000. Goodwill given by Aneri. Aneri is a gaining person. So here we have to write goodwill given by Aneri 90,000 and her gaining ratio is 1 by 9. So answer will be 90,000, sorry 10,000. Goodwill given by Hensey means new admitted person 90,000 and her share is 2 by 9. So it will be 20,000 and goodwill received by Parshvi and sacrificing partner ratio is 90,000 and 3 by 9 rupees 30,000. So we can write journal entry as Aneri's capital account debit Hens's capital account debit to Parshvi's capital account credit 10,000, 20,000 and here 30,000. This we have to write here partner's capital account by Aneri's capital account by Aneri's capital account 10,000 by Hens's capital account 20,000. Afterwards, Parshvi and Aneri will maintain their capital in the new firm in the new profit and loss sharing ratio by taking Hens's capital as base. For this purpose, necessary adjustments should be made in partner's current account. Now here, this we have finished about adjustments. Now only capital adjustment is remaining. Now, first capital account, we have to write on partner's capital by balance brought down. Amount is 91,000 and 84,000. Afterwards, capital reserve 14,700. This 14,700 we have to distribute it among all partners in the old ratio. Capital reserve 14,700 multiplied by 2 by 3 is 9,800. 14,700 multiplied by 1 by 3 is 4,900. So here we have to write by capital reserve 9,800 and 4,900. Afterwards, workman's saving account we have to write on balance sheet, liability side. First we have to leave for capital accounts of Parshvi, Aneri and Hensey. Workman saving account amount is 7,000. Afterwards, workman profit sharing fund, amount is 8,400. Creditors, amount is 39,900. Balance sheet asset side, building 1,40,000, furniture 28,000, stock 18,200, debtor 16,800. Now there is a cash account. Here we have to write in cash account 56,000. To balance brought down 56,000. Total of cash account is 96,000. So here we have to write by balance carried down 96,000. Now we are in balance sheet asset side, cash account 96,000. Here we have finished about the cash account and revaluation account. Now total here revaluation account is 11,900. Here also 11,900 by capital account. Loss 2:1. Difference is 6,300. Parshvi 4,200. Aneri 2,100. This entry will come on partner's capital account debit side. To revaluation account, amount is 4,200 and 2,100. Now, goodwill given in the balance sheet that we have distributed among old ratio. So, your goodwill 21,000 multiplied by 2 by 3, it will be 14,000. 21,000 multiplied by 1 by 3, it will be 7,000. So, here to goodwill account, amount is 14,000 and here 7,000. Here we have to find Parshvis and Aneri will maintain the capital in a new firm in the new profit and loss ratio. Whenever they are told to find the new profit and loss ratio and then maintain the new partner as by taking the base of a new partner's capital, at that time we have to do reciprocal of the ratio. Your new ratio is 3:4:2. So here we have to do reciprocal of 2 by 9, that is 9 by 2. So here we will get 1,80,000. Now we have Parshvis capital 1,80,000 multiplied by 3 by 9, we will get 60,000. So here it will come to balance carried down 60,000. Anery's capital 1,80,000 multiply by 4 by 9, it will be 80,000. And hence his capital is 40,000. Here premium of goodwill is there for only Parshvi, because here Aneri gained Parshvi. So to Parshvi's capital account, amount is 10,000. Total of this side is 1,30,800, 99,100 and 40,000. Here also 40,000. Total of this side is 99,100. From this it will be f minus. So here we will get difference of 1,800. So here they have told in last statement that we have to adjust in partner's capital account. So you have to write here by current account. And here total is 1,38,000. So here 1,30,800 minus this all, we will get difference of 47,000 to current account. This difference we have to write on balance sheet liability side of Parshvi's capital account. Parshvi's current account 47,000 and Aneri's current account amount is 1,800. And hence his current account is 20,000. This capital we have to write on balance sheet liability side 60,000, 80,000 and 40,000. Total is 1,80,000. 3,20,800.